A proven leader in visual safety communications, the chief mission at Clarion Safety Systems is risk reduction. Established in 1990, Clarion is a designer and manufacturer and distributor of safety labels, safety signs, and exit signs located in Milford, Pennsylvania. The company sells into both the national and international markets. Their commitment is to supply customers with safety products that meet the most current standards and to provide guidance and information to assist customers in making informed decisions. The company was founded in 1990 as Hazard Communication Systems. It was formed on the idea that the use of best practices in safety labeling would give companies a major leap forward in the product safety and liability prevention programs. In 2007, Hazard Communication Systems changed to Clarion Safety Systems. The name change reflected the company's move into the wider field of safety markings in all their forms, from product safety labels to facility safety signs to pipe markers and valve tags to egress path marking systems like these. Again, all with an eye to reducing risk.
The core of Clarion's business is reducing risk and protecting people. As much as you'll see when you go upstairs and look at our printing facilities that it looks like we're a printing company, what we really are is a risk reduction company, so that those who use our services are able to properly define safety signs and labels that end up protecting lives.
Today, from Clarion's state-of-the-art green-friendly, Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired headquarters and manufacturing campus, Clarion assists companies the world over in adopting a system of visual safety. The company's catalog and e-newsletter, the Clarion Call, exemplify all that Clarion Safety Systems are about. Their products call attention to safety issues wherever potential hazards may rise. Clarion Safety Systems is all about risk reduction. The injuries prevented by their products give the company purpose. The innovations made by Clarion keep them recognized as the leader in industrial and commercial product safety labeling and signage. Clarion's goal is to provide clear, concise, and compliant products specifically designed to improve safety, ensure compliance, and minimize corporate liability. Simply put, better visual safety systems mean fewer injuries and deaths. Clarion's follow-through from customer contact through the completed customer product ensures a quality experience for all.
The Customer Relations Department collaborates with numerous different customers. We receive drawings from engineers at various companies, and they ask us to go ahead and customize a product, whether it be for a material application or specific application for their product. So the Customer Relations Department is highly involved in the collaboration back and forth with the engineer in the design aspect, material aspect, as well as completing the sale of the project.
Clarion's products keep people from harm in a host of industries, from agricultural machinery to drilling equipment, from electrical utilities to meat packing, from mining equipment to semiconductor manufacturing. Clarion is also on the leading edge of improving safety and efficiency in commercial buildings of all kinds, whether it is the adoption of green-friendly photoluminescent exit signs or the use of the latest graphical escape plan signs to help people evacuate during a disaster. Clarion serves over 180 industries. Clarion has advanced the adoption and use of symbols and color coding, a new graphical language of safety that can overcome language and literacy barriers. With over 9,000 customers worldwide, Clarion designs every visual safety system to meet the latest and best practices. In fact, Clarion actually helps develop the guidelines from ANSI and ISO, the leading bodies on safety standards in the US and internationally. Finally, Clarion uses the proven experience of customers to help improve safety across industry. Clarion respects their employees and seeks to provide them with a quality work environment, characterized by a concern for each other and each other's families. Over 2 decades, Clarion employees have led industry-specific safety marking standardization projects. They've done this for a variety of industries, including semiconductor manufacturing, textiles, furniture making, woodworking, and the bakery and food processing industries. Employees need a high school diploma. Some jobs require special training or a college degree. But the most important requirement for employees is to have a solid work ethic. Candidates for employment need to work cooperatively, be able to adapt to a variety of situations, have a background in their appropriate field, be able to readily accept new challenges, and be willing to take on new responsibilities.
The qualities I look for in applicants when I interview them is they're not only technical skills, because I do look for the skills that they bring, but I also look for if they're reliable, if they are dedicated, if they are team players. But most of all, I'm very interested in the attitudes that they bring, because I want a positive attitude in the person that I hire here.
Clarion has staff in a wide variety of jobs: finance, customer relations, human resources, information technology, web design and marketing, graphics, sign and label design, sales, machine operators, quality control and shipping. There are many opportunities to advance and move up through the ranks. Safety knowledge and training are provided in-house, and Clarion Essentials is an internal continuing education program. Clarion supports local communities to help make it a better place to live and raise our children. In addition, they make every effort to be environmentally conscious and socially responsible. Clarion employees are encouraged to volunteer within the community. Employees receive 10 hours per year paid volunteer time. Locally, but also elsewhere, some of the programs Clarion has supported include the Orphan's Tree, Children's Hope Chest, many local church and civic groups, Young Life, and the Tri-State Pregnancy Center. Affiliations include Pike County Chamber of Commerce, American Society of Safety Engineers, Packaging Machinery Manufacturers Institute, and U.S. Green Building Council. Clarion has received a number of awards and certifications, including the company is a registered ISO 9001-2008 provider of safety markings and identification products, 2007 Pike County Chamber of Commerce Business of the Year, and Northeast Pennsylvania Business Journal's Top 10 Green Businesses. There are many advantages to staying in the Milford area, including access to New York City, 1.5 hours by car, train, and bus, great scenery and many activities, friendly people, and a great place to raise a family. Clarion is also ideally located within 1 to 2 hours of many colleges and universities.
Corporate responsibility are buzzwords today, and yet Clarion has been practicing this for years. We've supported projects in Russia and in Swaziland, that's in Africa, near South Africa, to shelter orphans. We've supported projects here in the community, and it's really helped to make a difference in the world, but also for this company. We have purpose that goes beyond what we do on a day-to-day basis.
Clarion continues to work toward a system of safety that reduces risk and protects people, while striving to support the community and make it a better place to live.